Hey everyone!
We have an important message for all the double income no kids couple in the Philippines. And did you know, alam nyo ba, 75% of you will ignore this crucial advice in 2024. We're talking about insurance solutions.
Point number 1, the role of insurance.
So, ang insurance might not be the most exciting topic. Boring siya, no? But ito yung isa sa pinaka-importante ng financial security natin. Bakit? Because insurance protects us from unexpected events like medical emergencies, accidents, and natural disasters. And despite its importance, many people ay na-overlook yun, thinking they can get by without it.
Why people ignore insurance?
So, bakit nga ba yung 75% of the people ignore the need for insurance? It's often seen na hindi siya kailangan or unnecessary expense siya or something to think about na susunod na lang, later na lang. Pero yung iba naman naniniwala na wala namang mangyayari sa kanila, kaya ini-ignore nila yung insurance. Ito yung mga misconceptions na that can lead devastating financial consequence. Yun na naman yung ayaw natin, diba?
Now, how to choose the right insurance?
So, paano ba tayo pumili? Choosing the right insurance doesn't have to be complicated. Hindi dapat kailangan na pahirapan pa. Kailangan ma-identify natin yung needs natin at ma-compare natin sa other plans and mag-consult tayo sa mga professional na financial planner if you're unsure. So, kailangan tailored insurance solutions yung mapibigay sa inyo na design para sa fit na specific needs, health situation na makapag-provide ng peace of mind without breaking the bank. Ibig sabihin, kaya naman talaga i-fit, no, sa needs natin and sa budget natin.
Alam niyo, huwag kayong maging part ng 75% na ignorante ngayong 2024.
Kaya kailangan protect yourself and your loved ones with the right insurance solutions. And if you found this advice helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips on securing your financial future. Have a questions or need guidance? Drop a comment below and we'll be happy to help. Bye!
Bye!